Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Janae, if you didn't already know, and it is Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make these beautiful Coquito Cupcakes. So it's a spiced cake with vanilla bean custard and a coconut rum buttercream. So if you wanna see how to make it, please keep on watching. Alright, so the cupcakes have been cooling for a while now. Now I need to make holes to fill them up with the vanilla custard. And to do that, you could just use a spoon if you don't have a paring knife, like a small spoon. And I'll show you guys. Oh. Then you just take this part out. And then you take your clean finger and kind of press down into the cupcake to make the hole. So I'm gonna do this to the rest of them and I'll be right back. Alright, so the custard is slowly starting to thicken because I feel resistance on the whisk. I just want you guys to kind of see how it's looking. Do you see that? It's on. It's getting thick really quick. See that? So I just turned off the heat now. So you want to let this cool before you pop it in the fridge. And that's vanilla custard. So I just filled this piping bag with the fresh vanilla custard, and I'm gonna start filling the middles of these cupcakes.
Cuando necesitas mula yo sé que te pones coqueta, porque no busco trabajo, al menos vendiendo paletas. Gozo la vida, trabajo, lo tuyo no te comprometas. Me gustan independientes, también que tengan sus metas. Todo el mundo busca dinero, también busca la fama. Como Jim Carrey nos dijo, la plata y la fama no hacen mañana.